Hello, Lincoln. We all know in today's world there is a massive bottleneck that's costing companies hundreds of hours and dollars every month, and that is manual document auditing. Picture this: your team receives 200-page SDLC document from a client. Someone has to sit down, go through every single page, check it against compliance rules, flag missing sections, and document findings. This process can take multiple hours for just one document. Now multiply that by dozens of clients, multiple document types, and you get productivity nightmare. That's exactly why I built this AI audit agent to completely automate this tedious process. Let me show you how this works in action. This is the application, and in here you can see document upload section. Here I can browse any PDF document and upload it here. Right now we have three sections, that is upload document in which we are currently present, start auditing where the agent will start auditing all the document against the audit rules which I have predefined. Okay, and then finally view result. Okay, currently the session status is in blue. It's false for everything, not found out for. Once I complete each section first, then we can move to another section. So obviously, it's no point in going to start auditing when we have not processed the document, right? So let me just browse this. We go to here. Okay. So a fresh session had started, one document uploaded, and upload file is SGLT document. Okay, you can see here. Now we will first process the document. Once the processing has been completed, this status will change and we will get the option to start auditing. So if you see, the prompt is there and everything turned green and we can start auditing. Let's go to the start auditing. Now if you see, we have to select a document category. Right now, since I have uploaded a JLC document, I will select this. But if you have any other document such as data conversion or data integration, you can select that as well. Okay. Now for each document category, I have defined a set of audit rules to which the agent has to perform auditing. And here are the rules. Ensure a project governance framework exhibits clearly defined roles and responsibilities, that is REST metrics, rate, and everything. Now I have specified the keywords here, but the agent is not looking for the keyword. It is doing a semantic analysis. Okay. And with audit all nine tools, also there's an option if you want to perform auditing just for some particular rules, you can select that. So suppose that if I upload a raid log only, the client has provided a raid log separately. If you upload that, you can select this audit rule, and it will perform auditing for just one rule. Here it's right, but we will do auditing for all the nine rules. Let me just remove it from here, and if you go back, it will start auditing for all the. Okay, let's start the audit analysis. It will take a little bit of time. If you have a powerful GPU and if you have powerful AI agent, it can work faster. But right now, meanwhile, let me just show you the code. Here's the output. If you're properly logged, so if you want to see the log, what is happening, if you want to debug it later on, you can easily do that as well. Okay. Nice, neat, and clean output section is here. Um, I have following code. So first is app.py, which is your main Streamlit interface with progressive navigation, as I showed you. Then we have audit agent, core AI coordinator that manages the entire audit process. We have rules.py where I have defined all my auditing rules. Okay, and give the prompt for the AI agent how it should be doing the auditing. Okay, and how it should be giving the output as well. Okay. Next is PDF processor. Here, it handles document upload and text extraction, the first step. Next, we have embedder.py, which creates semantic embeddings using sentence transformers. Okay, and then we have another verifier agent. Okay, so it will just verify whatever the prompt is given by the AI agent, audit agent. It will just verify those. Um, our last is another one which was settings, configuration, then settings. Yeah. Here I have centralized configuration for easy customization. So for everything it is there, and yeah, It is creating. So suppose if you don't have any folder just such as data, model, report, anything, it will create it automatically. Okay, it does not need you to hard code inside your code. It will automatically create it. Let's go back, and it has almost completed the auditing. Yeah, and it has completed the auditing, and all the status has been complete. Go to view result sidebar to see the result. If you go here, view results, we can see some quick analysis. So 8 rules were compliant, one was inadequate, and one action item pending. And with a strong compliance, everything mentioned, summary statistics. Okay, if you want to get the output in a Excel format, here you can just click on it, generate Excel report. It will generate an Excel report. You can download it. Let me just download it here. So you can download it anywhere you want. Okay, and if you open it, okay, yeah, you can. So there is a first step, executive summary. Category SDLC generated on this. So you can track when you run this audit in. Okay. Total rules for 9. Compliance status present, partially present, identified, not present, unclear, or error out. Okay. Error is for basically agent got some error. Okay. Key metrics, compliance rate or form like 88.9 action item, one action item for one inadequate audit rule and high priority issue, none of them, average confidence. Now let's see the result. Let me just organize it a little bit so that you can see it in a better way. Um, here, okay, let's go here, here, and here. Okay, so here is your rule description. Here is your status, which is present, confidence is one, criticality. So it has drafted an observation just like an auditor. Okay, the project governance framework is clearly defined in the provided document. Roles and responsibilities and system integrator. Additional, there is a description of the roles and responsibility, management activities, and this. Okay, so it is fine. And since the plan document have the proper details, there is no recommendation, none at this time. It still provides the risk for everything. Okay, and more. And if you want to like again validate whatever the output we got from the agent, there's a page reference for clearly mentioning all the pages. So you can just go to these pages and start auditing yourself as well. So you can review it. So it basically reduces your time drastically. Now, rather than going through all 183 pages, you just have to go to these pages and just skirmish around it. So you can validate it. I'm more interested in this one, which is inadequate. The document, so let's see how it drafted the observation. The document clearly defines the roles and responsibilities, indicating administration, etc. Additionally, it is stated that this. However, the document does not explicitly mention the meeting cadence for the meeting. Okay, if I mention about the meeting in here, confirm with the steering committee composition. So composition part was there, but meeting cadence are established. So yeah, so the committee was being established. There's a detail around that part, but are they having a regular meeting or not to discuss about the project status and everything? That is not present. So that's why it has mentioned as it inadequate. So it is present, but it is inadequate. To ensure full compliance with the audit rule, it is recommended to include the meeting cadence for the steering committee in the project documentation. The lack of defined meeting cadence may lead to delays or miscommunication within the project, potentially impacting the overall project timeline and success. So far, I think it has done its job. You can do this for any other as well. And if you want to have, like, if you are going to plan to use this project, you can establish your own document category. Just let me just show you. You can just go here, add another document category. Wait, yeah, add here another dictionary for your auditing category, document category, and add those rules in here. Suppose I have added the SDLC data conversion, data integration. You might have some other documents such as financial document, HR policy, regulatory compliance, technical specification, or anything. You can just add it here and you can easily audit those as well. It's simple as it. So yeah, I think this is pretty much it about it. And feel free to I have uploaded this project directly on GitHub, so you can download it and use it however you want. And is a proper guide as well. And I have uploaded a user guide as well for you guys. So in case if you want to use, you can download it if it's not visible in here. You can just check the README. business changes, key features, and this is the technical architecture. So PDF document, text extraction, first thing, text chunking, sentence embedding, um, then vector search, DB is created. Mistral, I'm using Olama Mistral. You can, if you have API for OpenAI, that will be even better since it is more smart. If you have a powerful GPU, you can download Mistral, which is even more powerful than Mistral. That will just improve your accuracy. Then response parsing, and then Excel report is being created. These are the technology stack. And if you want to clone it, you can clone it from here. And this is how to use the document. So I have already showcased this in the application itself, so I don't need to go through this. This is the whole structure. And if anybody finds that difficult, there is a smaller version of this as well with less UI element of it. But there is just one file, one py file, which incorporates pretty much everything in just one file itself. Okay, it works exactly same. It does everything similar to this, but it just looks a bit ugly, if I would say. And that's it.